Hey everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am coming in because I have a craft haul from White Rose Crafts, and I have a craft haul from Doodles Playground. The Doodles Paper Playground Sparkle Blend Sequins are actually sold on White Rose Crafts exclusively, so it's a perfect time to open both at the same time. I'm starting off with the Jelly Bean Soup Shaker inserts and cards with matching envelopes. It is the Coffee Cocoa Mug set, and these little coffee mugs or cocoa mugs sneak perfectly into the little open tab of the cards, and you can fill it with all kinds of shaker things and decorate the cards beautifully. So it's a fun way to make super easy shaker cards. I also picked up a new stencil. I got the pumpkin stencil from Clear Scraps, and I am absolutely loving what it's doing. I don't think I often play enough with black cardstock and stencils, but Distress Oxides go over black cardstock beautifully. So I pulled out some carved pumpkin and just showed how gorgeous this stencil is over some black cardstock with a little bit of distress ink inside. And like I said, I don't do this enough. I really need to do it more, is Distress Oxide and stencil over black cardstock. Look at that. Just for fun, I pulled out a little extra and just kind of filled in, and love the smoky effect that you get there. You're going to have to bear with me as I quickly clean my stencil off, because if it's acrylic paint, I'll be known to leave it on a stencil, but I try to always rub my ink off, especially my water-soluble ink. I got a new paper pad. It's a fall-themed pad, but it is the Carta Bella Fall Break, and it's double-sided sheets, but there's two of each sheet, so it's really you have one of each design, or if you plan it well, you can have multiple. I'm loving the fall themed here, but I also like that I think you can use it for Halloween, and I'm planning on using it a little bit for Halloween. I like that you can kind of get both for the price of one, and I'm really excited to play with this. It's a really heavy cardstock. And in just a second, you're going to see me, yep, I caught up to where it's doubled. I also picked up 3 new stamp sets for Halloween. I'm really excited to play with them. I've got the Woodware Halloween Fun, I've got the Waffle Flower Boo, and I have the Stampendous Choco Trito Halloween. I'm probably saying that wrong, but it's the cute little monkey Stampendous stamp set. I also got 6 of the new releases for the Sparkle Blend for Doodles Paper Playground, and I wanted to share them with you. I'm not pouring them out because it never goes well, but here's the pumpkin spice, and it's really rich, beautiful fall colors. Here is the Possum Pets, and what you can't see is there's little cute paws in it, and it's perfect for those animal lovers. This is Penguin Party, and I'm going to try to show you little penguin sequins in them, which are adorable, and I'm loving the pink on black and white. Apple for Teacher, which is gorgeous for the back-to-school year. And then the Birthstone collection, this is the November Citrine and the October Opal. That's my small craft haul for October. I just wanted to share it with you real quick. Let me know in the comments below which products you're most excited to see me play with. And until then, happy crafting.